Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Klook discount promo codes which you can use on their website. Now if you want to get promo codes, just head towards Google or open up your browser, and once you're at this page, just write down the name of the website, Simply Codes. You can just write down Simply Codes and search on the Google, or otherwise you can just directly head to the website, which is simplycodes.com. Once you're at the homepage of simplycodes.com, so from the right side you will see a search button or search section. Just click on it, and inside this section just make sure to write down the name of the website, klook.com. You'll get it, klook.com. Otherwise just simply write down Klook and you will see list like this one. So just in our case, which is the first one, Klook, just click on it, and once you click on it, as you can see, the codes are listed for September 2025. These codes are listed daily. As you can see, 7 verified codes and 67 active members tracking Klook deals today, which means that a lot of people are looking for new codes. You can just scroll down, and from this you can just choose verified codes. You can see 1.5k times used for 65 times, 4 times, 777. You can just click on show more and see as many codes as well. Just let's say I want to go with this person, this one, like $5 off, or let's say $15 off. Just click on view code, and once you click it, you will see the code like this. Simply copy the code. As you can see, it is automatically copied to the clipboard as well. So you can just click on shop at Klook if you want directly to go to the website. Otherwise you can just go to the Klook and choose the product that you want to buy and use the promo code, or you can say the coupon code on this, and get the discount.